सुबह के 5:30 बज रहे हैं और हम आ चुके हैं भारत के मशहूर चित्रकूट वाटरफॉल्स छत्तीसगढ़ में। इसे यहाँ इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि वापस जाने को मन नहीं कर रहा है। It's so beautiful here. Me, nature and the beautiful Chitrakote waterfalls. I don't feel like going back, but I have to.
Welcome to our channel. Today we take you to Chitrakote Falls, India's very own Niagara. Nestled in the heart of Chhattisgarh in Bastar district, this majestic waterfall is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Located approximately 42 kilometers from the Madanteshwari airport of Jagdalpur city in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh, Chitrakote Falls is the widest waterfall in India and stretches up to a stunning width of 300 meters during the monsoon season. It has a height of about 29 meters and is shaped like a horseshoe and also has a thunderous roar which has earned it the nickname of Niagara Falls of India.
ये इंद्रावती रिवर है और ये आगे जाके चित्रकूट वाटरफॉल्स बनाएगी।
The Indravati River, originating from the Kalahandi district of Odisha, meanders through the Vindhya ranges before cascading down a rocky terrain to form the spectacular Chitrakote Falls. Chitrakote Falls transforms dramatically with the seasons. During the monsoon months of July to October, the falls are at their most magnificent, with the water volume swelling and creating a misty ambience. In contrast, the dry season sees a reduced flow, revealing the rocky riverbed and allowing for closer exploration and activities like boating. We were there in the month of September and were privileged to see the falls in their full splendor. Most people visit Chitrakote Falls and stop right here, where there is a viewing gallery for tourists. But what if I told you that the real magic happens elsewhere, that is on the other side? We stayed overnight at the government guest house as we were guests of the district administration. In the early morning, we drove to the other side of Chitrakoot Falls to see what most tourists miss, an untouched and raw perspective of India's widest waterfall.
It is about 5:30 in the morning and we are here at the famous Chitrakote waterfalls of Chhattisgarh. There is also a viewpoint, so after some time I'll go there to get a better view.
We discovered that there are steps that lead down to the base of the falls, and so that is where we are headed now. The steps are steep but comfortable and are enclosed by a canopy of trees. As you climb down, the roar of the Chitrakoot Falls resonates in your ears and gets louder and louder as you reach the bottom.
So we have reached what should be the last step over here, and you can see rocks.
Thousands of tourists flock to the Chitrakoot Falls during the tourist season, but there's a quieter, lesser known trail that takes you to the opposite side of the falls. While the main viewpoint is on the eastern side near the tourism complex, the western bank, accessible via a short drive and hike, offers a dramatically different view.
इस वक्त यहाँ कोई नहीं है, मैं हूँ और मेरे साथ है ये सुंदर चित्रकूट वाटरफॉल। यहाँ इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि वापस जाने को मन नहीं कर रहा है। इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल हियर, मी, नेचर एंड द ब्यूटीफुल चित्रकूट waterfalls. I don't feel like going back, but I am. Let's take a last view, a last glimpse of the majestic Chitrakote waterfalls over there in full swing. I leave you now with just the sound of nature and the sound of the waters of the cascading Indravati River which fall down at the Chitrakote Waterfalls here in Bastar district, Chhattisgarh. And now I shall head back over there from where I came. There are steps and it is quite safe.
When you are at the Chitrakote Falls, we recommend you also visit this ancient Shiv Mandir just 0.5 kilometers from the falls. The temple is believed to have been built by the Nagvanshi kings between the 11th and 12th centuries. Also step into the Amcho Bastar cafe for some local cuisine and also pick up some handicrafts to take home as souvenirs. Take home with you the priceless moments at the spectacular Chitrakote Falls, which shall soon transform into indelible memories.